if you're creating a new Adsense account or you're linking the same, you have a verified Adsense account you want to link, the process and step are the same, okay? But for this account does not have any Adsense account being created, but I have an already verified Adsense account which I want to link to this account so that this process is going to be it's going to speed fast enough, okay? If you're creating a new Adsense account, the algorithm and the team have to review the Adsense first. They have to verify it and also start reviewing the channel, okay? And that takes a lot of process, and sometimes you may not do some things right. But for now, I'm going to be making use of an already verified Adsense account, okay? So I'm going to click yes, I have an existing Adsense account. Please don't forget, if you're creating a new channel and you don't have an Adsense, if you have an Adsense account, click on I don't have an existing account, and it's going to take you to the Adsense page where you're going to create an Adsense, okay? But for this account, I'm going to click I don't have an existing Adsense account, okay? So you can see yes, I don't have yes, I have an existing Adsense account for YouTube or Adsense account. Now you are allowed one access for YouTube account per person. Because you have an existing Adsense account or Adsense for YouTube account, you should select email address associated with that account on the next screen, okay? So it's only one, what they are explaining here. If you're having one email, you can only create one Adsense account to one email. You can't create more than two Adsense accounts on one particular email. Now listen carefully. You can create, when it comes to YouTube, you can create as much as possible channels on a single email. For YouTube, you can create a YouTube channel on a single email. But when it comes to Adsense, you can't create more than one Adsense account to one email account. You get that? So now I'm going to be clicking continue, and I'm going to write the Adsense account that I have for that email. Then I'm going to link it up to this YouTube account, okay? So we're going to click on continue without wasting time there, and it's going to take us to the page, okay? Now you can see choose an account here. I'm going to just click on use another account, as you can see here. Then I'm going to type in the email, okay? So my god, what's this?